So here we are at Dan and Tammy's remodel. We finally got the approval from the engineer so that we could cover everything up. And so we've been in here really all weekend, sheetrocking, patching. These guys have had a whole lot of patching work to do. We're fixing some cracks in the ceilings, adding some screws. He's screwing off to try and prevent it from moving again. You're gonna make sure the ceiling's up really good and tight. You can start to see the whole room take shape now. All of the things that we've been doing are gonna really start paying off. Here's a view of it from back here. And instead of being just a bunch of studs, now we got sheetrock. It really looks good. It's gonna be fantastic. Here we are coming into the laundry room. This is our little ceiling that we dropped down, and I think that's gonna work really good, and I don't think anybody will ever really notice it. And it looks and feels comfortable too. I was a little worried we didn't add any air conditioning, but I think that's fine. It feels really good. So that's Dan and Tammy's report today.